Flashing is going to be in two parts. You're going to have your end wall flashing, meaning there is the flashing that is going to run horizontal with the roof slope. The sidewall flashing is going to be the flashing that is running parallel with the roof slope. So it's running up the sidewall. So as you notice, there's no selection for flashing if I have these faces selected because the roof material is not being replaced. So as soon as this roofing material is replaced, then there is sidewall flashing here that can be applied, but there is no end wall flashing. However, if I were to broaden my selection to include those connected faces, then sidewall flashing and end wall flashing will populate in the question set. So whether or not to include sidewall and end wall flashing, just select the drop down and hit replace. This can be done in the user defaults. So your sidewall flashing is going to be your step flashing, and your end wall flashing is going to be your long L flashing, and that's going to be in your colored or galvanized and copper options. These can be set up in the user defaults. The action can be automatically set to replace along with the material type that you want to use if you were to select your end wall flashing, if you wanted to use galvanized or your standard colored flashing.